And just in case you didn't know, today one of you will become the 2019 official Swatch pilot.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and we are here at Denver International Airport. We are getting ready to go through the security check line for the TSA, and then we'll be boarding the little train down below that, and then we'll be on our way to Vegas. So we'll see you guys in Vegas. We're going to get all kinds of cool footage and flight footage, so we'll talk to you guys later. Alright everybody, so we made it. We are here in Las Vegas. We are here at the Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am here for the big drone racing competition for the DRL Tryouts this week, or today. So this is really cool. Can't wait to get in here, so meet some people. I got to register between 10 and 12, and then after that the competition begins at 2 o'clock this afternoon. So we are super excited about being here and doing some drone racing. Alright everybody, so it is go time. So it's 2:10 here in Las Vegas, getting ready to start my practice round, and so we'll see how well I do. Alright guys, so I just got finished up with my second time trial, and so I'm not probably in the top 24, but I dropped my time down to 1 minute and 43 seconds compared to over 2 minutes, so we'll see how it goes. I don't think I'll be moving on, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. It's all about having fun, and this is a once in a lifetime chance, so this is awesome. This just means I'm going to be pushing myself even further.
We started today with 213 players, and now we're down to the top 24, all preparing to start quarterfinals.
All right, everybody, so we are getting ready to go live on the live stream. So you guys will see this when this video edit comes out. But I'm hanging here with Stephanie and Ben from Hot Dog FPV. So that is awesome. And there's just a ton of FPV people here. Drew, Camden, Ladrib, Tommy, all the big names are here. So we are just having an absolute blast. Can't wait to show you guys the footage. Alright guys, so that is it for today. My best lap was a minute and 43 seconds. I didn't make top 24, but we still did pretty good. So considering of all the thousands of people, I was one of the top 200 people. There was 213, and from there it dwindled down to the top 24. So I'm pretty happy.